Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something exciting for all you Windows users out there. We're going to show you how to set up stunning live wallpapers on your Windows desktop, and the best part, it's completely free. Let's jump right into it. Step 1. Install Wallpaper Engine. To set up live wallpapers on Windows, we'll be using a free software called Wallpaper. It's a lightweight and versatile tool that allows you to customize your desktop with dynamic wallpapers. To get started, head over to the Wallpaper Engine website and download the software. Simply search for MLWAPP on Google. Then click on the first website that appears. Once the website opens, scroll down and click on the download button. After that, go back to Google and search for Motion BGS. And click on the first website that appears. Here, you can download live wallpapers for free. For example, let's say we want to download a cat live wallpaper. Type cat in the search bar. Click on the search button, and then click on the first live wallpaper that shows up. Finally, scroll down and click on the download button. Step 2. Install Wallpaper software and set up live wallpaper. After the download is complete, install Wallpaper software on your computer, once the installation is finished. Open Wallpaper software and click on the Add Video option. Then, click on the Browse button. And navigate to where your live wallpaper was downloaded. Select the video file and click on the Open button. And there you have it, you have successfully set up a stunning live wallpaper on your Windows desktop for free. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tutorials and tips. See you next time.